There is so many P2P in this crypto world that you can use, but do you know that Bitget P2P has the best rate from many crypto exchanges? In today's video I will be guiding you on how to use Bitget P2P and the advantages of it. Buckle up. As the cryptocurrency space continues to mature, the demand for efficient and secure trading platforms is at an all-time high. Enter Bitget, the world's leading global cryptocurrency exchange, founded in 2018. With more than 20 million users from over 100 countries, Bitget has gained recognition for offering a variety of financial services, including P2P trading. P2P trading is a decentralized form of exchanging assets, such as cryptocurrencies, where users trade directly with each other without the intervention of a traditional exchange as an intermediary. How safe is Bitget P2P? With Bitget P2P, all online trades are protected by escrow. When an ad is posted, the amount of crypto for the ad is automatically reserved from the seller's P2P account. This means that if the seller does not release your crypto, the customer support agents can release the crypto to you from the reserved funds. Step 1. Register for an account. You must first download the Bitget app or go to the Bitget website in order to register a new account. After that, click this sign up link and finish the process in under 2 minutes. Step 2. Finish identity checking. All Bitget users must comply with identity verification or know your customer (KYC) criteria in order to safeguard their accounts from financing threats and fraud. You can utilize all of Bitget's services and products after completing the KYC process. You can make deposits into your account once it has been validated. Detailed guidelines, your quick guide to KYC on Bitget. Step 3. Navigate to P2P trading. Click on Buy Crypto-P2P Trading on the top left corner of the navigation bar or click here to enter the P2P trading page. You'll be able to see a list of available trades, along with their price and payment methods. Step 4. Choose a trade. Choose a trade that meets your requirements in terms of price and payment method. Once you've found a trade you're interested in, click on it to view the details. Step 5. Place and execute orders. In the P2P section, you can either buy or sell cryptocurrencies at your preferred price. Once you have matched an order, you can proceed to execute the trade. Bitget employs an escrow service, which temporarily holds the funds until the trade is complete. Here are some of the best advantages using Bitget P2P. Zero trading fees. Flexible payment methods. Trade at your preferred prices. Protection for your privacy. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.